Okay, so we are walking to the bus stop because we're gonna take my brother to camp, and I am seeing this girl right here, Brittany. I haven't seen this girl in like 3 weeks. She's my bestest friend. She was in my California vlog. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Look who I found!
No. Anyways, so stop.
Hey guys, so I'm at Brittany's house right now, and in a few minutes we're gonna go to the dollar store and McDonald's and the Safeway, and we're not grocery shopping or anything, but yeah, I'll see you when we're walking.
Okay.
We should find the one that's like looks the worst, like the stupidest, you know? We're having a dollar store movie night.
Yeah. Stretch and flex.
Now we're going into Safeway because I need makeup remover wipes and she needs something. Okay. My bestie just got me some Starbucks. I love you. Okay, so we just left Safeway and the dollar store, and now Brittany's mom is gonna pick us up. When we get home, I know you really want to know, we're gonna haul our stuff. So yeah, I know that's pretty interesting. Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna show what I got first. So yeah, from the dollar store. So I got hot Cheetos and an e.l.f. defining brush. Yeah. Then I got a bunch of movies because we're gonna have a dollar store movie night. This one is called the Sarah Silverman Program. Oh, this is a show.
Yeah, I know.
And Missing Brendan. And I don't know why she got these. Like, I don't want them. 3-minute slim down body sculpt and 3-minute slim down fast. Awesome.
It seems fun. In 3 minutes, you can look like her.
Then from Safeway, all I got was Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. Yeah. When I go to the dollar store and stuff with her, I never actually need anything. I just spend my money on stupid stuff. But I needed the makeup remover wipes.
Marshmallows.
From where?
From the dollar store. Fruity Saurus cereal. Also from the dollar store. All of this is from the dollar store. Jolly Ranchers. Cooling racks. Pizza pan. And non-stick cooking spray and all-purpose. No, I got this from Safeway. And non-cooking spray. From Safeway, I got flour, white and black icing, just regular whipped icing, and a squeezy bottle. Yeah. And that's it. Tea from the dollar store. With the marshmallows and the cereal that we got from the dollar store, we made Rainbow Rice Krispies.
They look so good.
Yeah. And we have the extras.
so we were baking for around like 4 hours and we made a bunch of stuff. So we made like cupcakes with like Jolly Ranchers on top. They look a little rough because we didn't really have enough frosting. And then we made cookies, chocolate chip. Then this big pizza cookie thing that says like BOS for like Boston, because it's like, what is it, hockey? Okay, because there's a hockey game on tonight.
It's not just any hockey game. It is the Stanley Cup.
Like rainbow Rice Krispie treats. And yeah. Then Brittany did a wonderful job decorating this cake.
Horrible. Okay, so we just finished eating mac and cheese, and now we're watching the Stanley Cup, and it's 5-5, tied up in overtime.
Okay, so we are eating the cake and stuff that we made. What do you think of it? It's good. Anything else? We made a weird cake. We're just gonna be real here. Look, there's this creepy head in here. What the heck is this? It's a giant head. I'm so scared. The black roses all over the... We're watching Lemonade Mouth.
Like cool kids.
Hashtag Disney Movies for Life. So we're back in the dollar store because I wanted some tea and I feel awkward for the first time vlogging in public. I feel awkward. Hey guys, so we're at Brittany's house now. We went to the dollar store and I got tea and Milk Duds. Did you get anything?
Cotton candy.
She got cotton candy because she's obsessed. She's getting tired, I think. She's obsessed with cotton candy, by the way. Then we went to McDonald's and we got cones. Hey guys, so I just got home and I know I look so bad right now, but I just woke up and it's like 12. We just woke up like an hour ago and Brittany had to go babysit and stuff, so I'm home now and just want to fill you in on a few things that happened while I was well, I wasn't recording. I probably dropped my camera 3 times and every time it was like so hard that it like bounced, so it like fell twice. So we were gonna do the workout thing that we got because that would be funny, but no, we didn't do it because we got tired. We didn't watch any of the dollar store movies, but we watched Lemonade Mouth and it was a fun weekend. I'm glad I brought the camera with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.